Hello UKG class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Ready? Okay, student, this is your book Pulse. Yesterday we have done this page number 17. And today we will discuss this page number 80. Ending sound. Today we will find out ending sound. Now look at this word, pot. This is a word pot. Here p is beginning sound, o is middle sound, and t is ending sound. Here in this word t is ending sound. Read the words. Here are some words. First of all you read these words. After that and write the letters in the boxes. Here are boxes. You have to write down the letters in these words here in these boxes. Circle the ending sound for each word. After that you have to circle the ending sound. One has been done for you. There is an example, one has been done for you. Here the word is top. Here are three sounds and here are three boxes. T is beginning sound, so we write down in the beginning box T. O is middle sound, so we write down O in the middle box. And P is ending sound, so we write down in the ending box. Here P is ending sound, so we circle it. P. This is word top. This is top. This is word top, and this is the picture of top. D, O, G. Here are three sounds. D, O, G. Dog. Here D is beginning sound, so we write down D in the beginning was car, up and down. This is beginning sound and beginning letter D. O is middle sound, so we write down here car and mouth close O. And G is ending sound, so we write down G in the ending box. Car, up, standing line down and curve. G. Here G is ending sound, so we circle it. Dog. This is dog. Jam. There are three sounds. Jam. Here are three boxes. J is beginning sound, so we write down here in the beginning box standing line, turn and dot. J. A is middle sound, so we write down here A. So J A. Curve, up and down. A. And here is ending sound, so we write down in the ending box standing line, curve and curve. Here is ending sound, so we circle it. This is jam. Now here is the word bin. B-I-N, bin. Here are three sounds and three boxes. B is beginning sound, so we write down here standing line, up and curve. B. I is middle sound, so we write down here I, standing line, dot. N is ending sound, so we write down in the ending box standing line, up and curve. Here N is ending sound, so we circle it. This is bin, dustbin. Lid. Here are three sounds. L is beginning sound, so we write down here in the beginning box L, standing line and curve. I is middle sound, so we write down here standing line, dot. I. And D is ending sound, so we write down curve, up and down. Here D is ending sound, so we circle it. D. Lid. This is lid. Lid क्या होता है? ढक्कन. Mug. Here is beginning sound, so we write down in the beginning of standing line, curve and curve. A is middle sound, so we write down here standing line, curve, up and down. Here G is ending sound, so we write down here in the ending box curve, up, standing line down and turn. G. Here is G is ending sound, so we circle it. G. Mug. This is mug. Here students, these are the beginning sound, these are the middle sound, Here p, g, m, n, d and g. These are ending sounds. Ending sounds come in the end of the word. देखो प यहाँ पे एंड में है वर्ड के, सो दिस इज एंडिंग साउंड. ग है यहाँ पे इस वर्ड के एंड में है ग, सो दिस इज एंडिंग साउंड. हेयर वर्ड के एंड में है, सो दिस इज एंडिंग साउंड. वर्ड के एंड में है इसलिए ये एंडिंग साउंड है. ड इज एंडिंग साउंड क्योंकि ये वर्ड के एंड में आ रहा है, लास्ट में आ रहा है ना. दिस इज एंडिंग साउंड. ग is ending sound because it comes in the end of the word. These are ending sounds. Students, after watching this video you have to complete your page number 18. This is your homework.